Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Abhishek Chaudhary and you are watching Abhishek Stock Analysis. So today, we'll be reviewing the bank sector, and recently I've seen that SBI Bank, Kotak Mahindra and HDFC Bank have, got their results, and we'll see what is actually there for the banking sector and why are, banks falling, and what will be, the future gains for the banking sector. And if you have if you find this video knowledgeable, and if you find something interesting and found some good insights about the video, please like, share and comment. And so I'll be providing you more and more videos and giving you knowledge. So let's get started.
Today we'll see the SBI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Bank Nifty. And after in the end, I'll be sharing a Khurafati idea about Bank Nifty, and it's all up to you that you need to follow or not. And recently we have received the SBI quarterly results, and we have also received the results of uh, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, and other banks. But still, we see that SBI, is falling drastically from past few days, and it is it has fallen like 7.5% in last four trading sessions. And if we look at the SBI results, this quarter the revenue has increased, and it has increased by 3% from March quarter, and you can see the increase. And the net profit has increased to 1% from the March quarter. It has increased to 1%, which is fine. But uh, the the year on year result from June 2022 to this year, from June 22 to this year June 23, the shares have increased to 32%, and the net profit, which was 7,796 in June 22, it has increased to 19,000 crores, which is and which has increased to 114%, which is drastic increase. The results are very real good, but the stock price is still falling, which could be the reason of the Federal Reserve has increased the interest rate. The interest rate has increased to 5.5% from the last federal meeting, which is held in July. And they have also said that in September they would be increasing the more interest rate, and let's see how it goes. But I want to point out that there has been, if you look at March 2020 net profit, the yearly net profit was 21,140 crores, and this year the profit before tax has increased to 25,000. SBI has been performing very well. And if we look at from March, if we look from March 2021 to March till now, the share price has increased just 5%. The net profit has doubled, but the share price is increased to 5%. And SBI has been performing very well from the past few quarters, but the share price is not increasing because of the Federal Reserve interest rates. And I think that in the next meeting, they would drop the interest rate, and which tells that the SBI would be dominating the bank Nifty and would give a very good returns. And if you look at the graph of SBI, you can see that there has been forming a reverse head and shoulder pattern, or also we can call it a cup and handle pattern. And if it breaks this resistance level of 624, we could find that it could increase can go to a target of 750 750 levels. And if you look at other shares like Kotak, and I also want to point out that the SBI CSA CASA ratio is 45%, and you know the CASA ratio is really good of SBI, and the revenue and net profit have been very good this quarter, which says that it would has been performing very well, but because of these interest rates it has not performing. But after the September meeting we could find out that the banks would be performing very well. And if we look at Kotak Mahindra Bank quarterly quarterly results, the quarterly results have been good, but in June this quarter the revenue has increased to 12,869 CR, and which is an increase of 7% from March 23. From March 2023 to this quarter, there has been increase of 7%, and the net profit from March 23 to this quarter, the net profit has decreased by 9%. If you look at the year-on-year results of Kotak Mahindra Bank from June 22 to June 23, there has been an increase of 40% in the revenue. Before it was 9,164 and it has become 12,869. And net profit has increased from 2,755 to 4,150 CR, which is an increase of 50% in the net profit from year to year. And if you look at the CSA CASA ratio, which is 58%, the CASA ratio of Kotak Bank is very good, and the quarterly results have been good. But there is a decrease of net profit, but it does not, which is very minimal. And if you look at the graph of Kotak Mahindra Bank, if you look at the graph of Kotak Mahindra Bank, it shows the same, you know, pattern, same like pattern of SBI, the handle pattern, and or we can call it a inverted head and shoulder pattern. If it breaks above this, we could see a good return. And mostly the banks has perform showing the same pattern. If you look at HDFC Bank, it shows the same pattern. It shows the same cup and handle pattern, inverted head and shoulder. Or if you look at ICICI Bank, it shows the same pattern. But ICICI Bank has given a breakout, and it also retested it. And the thing I actually want to mention is, if you look at Bank Nifty has given the same pattern, the cup handle pattern, and given a breakout. Now we can see that the cup and handle pattern and given a breakout and retested the same levels, which is a support. So we could buy calls. If you look at today is 6th of August, and there are more 3 weeks. We can buy calls of the last week and hold the calls of Bank Nifty, and we could see the good risk reward ratio of 1:5. But it all depends on you that you can take this knowledge or apply it yourself. But my job is to give you the information. It all depends on you what you do. I don't give the buying of calls or trading calls. It's I'm just giving the information.